Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best big fluffy slime is probably one of the most satisfying sensory experiences available today, offering a unique blend of tactile fun and visual appeal that captivates both children and adults alike, making it a popular choice for stress relief, creative play, and simply a moment of delightful distraction in our busy lives. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this exciting slime-making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design unique creations with delightful scents and colorful mix-ins. This comprehensive 31-piece kit includes everything needed to create custom slime. You'll find clear glue, slime activator, and a variety of fun add-ins like scents, colors, and decorative pieces. More than just a toy, this kit encourages important skills. Kids can explore creativity, make decisions, and learn through hands-on mixing and design. Dive into a world of sensory play with this interactive arts and crafts kit. Create wonderfully stretchy and squishy textures, perfect for imaginative crafting adventures. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a reusable container to keep everything organized for endless fun. Indulge in the joy of making your own sweet-inspired slime creations. This kit offers a delightful experience for kids who love arts and crafts. What we like? This kit offers a delightful DIY ice cream slime experience with a fun cherry scent. If you are looking for a comprehensive set with lots of components for creative fun, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy themed crafts and sensory play. What people say? The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. This kit really encourages creativity. My daughter enjoyed mixing the colors and textures to create her own ice cream slimes, and she loved the tactile nature of the slime making process. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. Number 4. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover a world of imagination with our soft, pliable clay. It's perfect for creating stretchy butter slime and enhancing your slime-making adventures. Transform this white modeling clay into amazing sculptures or unique slime creations. It works with activators, offering endless fun for young artists. Designed for kids, this lightweight clay makes crafting butter slime a breeze. It's compatible with all your favorite slime add-ins and glues. Engage your senses with this soft, pliable clay, perfect for cozy indoor fun. Its moldable texture encourages imaginative and creative play. Spark creativity and learning with this amazing DIY slime kit. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or party favors, bringing joy and dynamic crafting sessions. What we like? This soft clay is specifically designed to create that perfect butter slime texture. If you love the feel of smooth, pliable slime and want to enhance your existing slime kits, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who enjoy tactile crafting and creating satisfyingly stretchy slime. What people say? This slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to your hands. It has a great texture and is very satisfying to play with. The color is vibrant and it smells good too. Number 3. FunKidz Ice Cream Butter Slime Kit. Unleash your creativity with this fun slime-making kit. It's easy to follow the illustrated instructions to create unique slimes decorated with charming accessories. You can make over 100 different styles. This kit includes all the accessories you need to create any slime imaginable. From clear and scented to glitter and candy slimes, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy a pleasant sensory experience with 3 delightful scents: vanilla, orange, and chocolate. You can choose your favorite to make your slime smell amazing and comfortable. This slime pack is designed to keep kids entertained for hours. They can use their imagination to create dreamy slimes and have an amazing crafting experience. Once your slime is ready, store it in the cute ice cream cones or candy containers provided. Add sprinkles to make them look like real treats. Our slime is reusable and comes with 6 airtight containers. This ensures your creation stays fresh and ready for play whenever you want. Making slime helps improve creativity and hands-on skills. Kids can mix colors and charms to enhance their ability to match colors and develop fine motor skills. What we like. This kit allows you to create a wide variety of ice cream and butter slimes with delightful scents. If you want a kit that offers immense creative freedom and the ability to make many different types of slime, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for imaginative kids who love to experiment with colors and textures. What people say. Great texture, sticks but not to things. The instructions were simple. She had a ton of extras to create different slimes, and I love that she got plenty of activator to create different slimes. The texture is soft, stretchy, and not sticky at all. It even smells nice. Number 2. Playz Unicorn Slime and Crystals Science Experiments Kit. Does your child love unicorns and science? This kit is packed with over 100 amazing experiments that will spark their curiosity and introduce them to fascinating scientific concepts. Tired of kits that are over too quickly? This isn't just another slime kit. It offers hours of engaging fun with a wide variety of activities they'll want to do again and again. Discover the science behind atoms, polymers, and molecules through hands-on activities. It's a fun and educational experience for everyone involved. With a super simple instruction guide and a helpful app, they can easily follow along with 50+ experiments. Plus, they'll learn the why behind each reaction. From glow-in-the-dark slime to crystal eggs and glitter lamps, the possibilities are endless. They'll love creating a huge variety of unique and exciting projects. You can feel confident with this purchase. Our products meet and exceed safety standards, and we even offer an extended warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This is more than just a slime kit, it's a comprehensive science experiment set with a unicorn theme. If you're looking for an educational and engaging activity that goes beyond basic slime making, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for curious kids who love science and want to learn about polymers and molecules while having fun. What people say. It's perfect for that age. She was able to do the activities independently, but they were all interesting enough for her. Really fun slime kit. Mess-free and cool that you get to make your own, rather than buying pre-made. Makes it more of a project and experiment that my kids loved. She loves doing science and unicorns. This was her favorite gift because she loves science, and to have it in unicorn theme is really neat. So happy to find a science kit that tailors to young girls. There are so many different science experiments to do, you will definitely get your money's worth and then some. Number 1. FunKidz Unicorn Slime Toy, 8 Jumbo Packs. Get ready for hours of magical fun with this amazing slime kit. It's designed to spark creativity and bring unicorn dreams to life for girls aged 6 and up. You'll receive 8 large bottles of pre-made, tricolor slime, offering plenty of material for extended playtime. Enjoy a long and enchanting unicorn experience. This slime is incredibly soft and stretchy, perfect for twisting, squeezing, and shaping into anything you can imagine. Best of all, it leaves no sticky residue on hands. With cute unicorn and rainbow charms included, you can easily create unique slime designs. It's a fantastic way to realize your unicorn fantasy and have a blast. Looking for a great gift? This slime set is ideal for birthdays, parties, or any occasion for girls aged 6 to 12. It's a gift that promises endless entertainment. More than just fun, this slime encourages imaginative play and artistic learning. It's a wonderful tool to keep kids engaged and away from screens. This ultimate kit has everything you need to customize your slime. Add charms and textures to create your very own unique soft slime masterpiece. What we like. This pack offers a generous amount of pre-made rainbow glitter slime in jumbo sizes. If you're looking for instant fun and a lot of slime to play with, this is a great value. It's perfect for kids who want ready-to-play slime for parties, sharing, or extended play sessions without the hassle of making it. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to your hands. It has a great texture and a pleasant, subtle scent. The slime comes in vibrant colors and is very satisfying to play with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.